BIM 360 Docs provides a single source of truth environment in the cloud for all project data, which can be accessed through a web browser, mobile devices, and Windows Explorer, meaning the entire project team has the correct information at the right time. Enhanced design review processes make collaborating with other project teams more streamlined. Drawings and models can be marked up and instantly shared in an intuitive user interface with the ability to analyse change from 2D PDFs through to Revit models with a full audit trail of all communication, reducing traditional time-consuming processes such as emails and screenshots in reports. The need to install multiple viewing applications becomes a thing of the past, as the Forge viewer can handle up to 50 file formats including Revit, Navisworks, IFC, DWFX, etc., meaning all project members have access to the model easily. Unlimited storage and projects removes the need to worry about new project costs and the storage needs for larger projects and unexpected hardware upgrades.